And a good day to everybody. My name is Thomas Stone. I'm Leon Krokamp's friend. We decided, oh yes, Leon Krokamp has got friends. I just attested to that. As a matter of fact, I often joke and I say that Leon is my brother from another mother and from another father. So we decided we're going to create this channel, which is called Unscripted Wisdoms, as you can see there behind me. And what this channel is basically about is we're going to share our life experiences, and through our mistakes, you get wisdom. And me and Leon have made a fair amount of mistakes. Some of the mistakes we made together, and some of the mistakes we sort of made in our own lives. And today we can sit and we can laugh about it, and we're going to allow you to laugh at it as well. We're not afraid to admit, we made these mistakes, and we did some very good things together as well. The jury will be out, which we made more of, the good stuff or the mistakes. So just a couple of things, very unscripted, off the cuff. So there's like no teleprompter or anything like that. And so we're not going to, I sort of combed my hair this morning. Okay, I might not have shaved. Mind you, if come to think of it, I don't think I shaved yesterday either. But in any case, so that's what Unscripted Wisdoms is going to be about. And it's going to get better and better, because repetition is the mother of all skill. So as we repeat our recordings, our skills will get better. And from that, people can learn as well. So we sort of walking a little path. And I really believe that everybody should start a YouTube channel. Okay, maybe not a YouTube channel, but there's a saying, I'm not too sure where I heard it. And the saying is, a life worth living is a life worth recording. And I'm a big proponent of that. So I take a lot of photographs, I write my stories, keep a little diary. And I regularly, every morning, I check up what happened on the 28th of April. Today's date is the 28th of April. Yesterday was Freedom Day here in South Africa, and happy Freedom Day to everybody for yesterday. So a life worth living is a life worth recording. So that's the one thing. The other thing is, I want to tell a little story that's got a little moral to it. And it is this huge private school at a square. And in the middle of that square, it was empty. And so they got a landscaper to come. And the principal said, listen, I want you to build beautiful fountain over there with a pond and pathways, flower beds. Do you get it? And the landscaper said, sir, I've got it. And so a couple of days later, he calls the principal. They walk up to the third floor to look down onto this huge square. And in the middle of this huge square, there's this beautiful pond, magnificent fountain, but there's only lawn. And the principal looks at the landscape and he said, haven't you forgotten something? The landscaper said, what do you mean, sir? And the principal said, but where's the flower beds? Where's the pathways? And so the landscaper looked at him and he said, sir, you know children, they, or pupils, they take their own path. They walk wherever it suits them. So what I'm doing, sir, is for the next 3 months, we're going to leave it just with the lawn there. And then we'll see where the students walk that, kill that lawn with walking over the lawn. So that's where we're going to put the path in. And then next to the path, we'll put the flower beds in. And that way, we know the pathways will be where the students want it. And the principal actually thought that was such a brilliant idea. And so the moral of this story is, we're just putting these videos out there. And then you guys will be showing us which pathway we will take. And Fortunately, both me and Leon, we very proud of where we are today. We don't mind make having fun at our own expenses. Because that's the mistakes we made. I mean, the past is the past. The present now is a gift, and the future, that's hope. That is, and that's where we're heading to. So that's a little bit of my introduction. Hope you enjoy it, and please, in the comments, just tell what would you like to hear. Are we on the right path? Because we want this to be an interactive channel. Yeah. So I think I've said enough. Have a great day.